This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Jamie.Engel. Embrace the ultimate Keys lifestyle at 130 Ocean View Drive, a captivating 3-bedroom, 1-bath home situated in the historic Old Tavernier district, where the charm of the Florida Keys meets modern convenience. Positioned at mile marker 91.5 on the ocean side, this residence offers 1,312 square feet of elegantly appointed living space on a sprawling 6,475 square feet lot, blending timeless style with the comfort of coastal living. Built to stand the test of time, the home features frame construction and a metal roof installed in 2020. Inside, an open and airy floor plan floods the space with natural light, setting a warm and welcoming tone throughout. The property also boasts covered parking, a spacious fenced yard for your private retreats, and a screened back porch ideal for savoring the tranquil Tavernier evenings. The surrounding neighborhood is rich with amenities designed to enhance your lifestyle. A stone's throw away, you'll find the Tavernier Town Shopping Center, offering a variety of shops, a Winn-Dixie grocery store, the Tavernier Movie Theater, Dylan's Pub and Grill, and Dunkin' Donuts for your convenience. The community hub of Settlers Park adds to the neighborhood's appeal, along with a plethora of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. Adding to the allure are the nearby Mariners Hospital and Medical Arts Building, a cornerstone of local healthcare and wellness. The Mariners Wellness Center, open for public gym memberships, ensures your fitness needs are met without straying far from home. For a touch of local flavor and some of the finest almond croissants you'll ever taste, Cafe Mocha beckons just around the corner. Education is well catered for, with Plantation Key School serving kindergarten through 8th grade and Coral Shores High School, both located conveniently at mile marker 90. For more information, review the details below or contact Jamie.Engel at 305-394-2500.